Welcome to this video on ecological niche. In this lesson, we will explore one of the most fundamental concepts in ecology, understanding an organism's role and how it interacts within its ecosystem. Every living thing has a specific job to do, and today we will discover what that means. So, what exactly is an ecological niche? An ecological niche is the complete role an organism plays in its ecosystem. It includes all the physical, chemical, and biological factors that the organism needs to survive and reproduce. Here is the key point to remember. A niche is not just about where an organism lives. It is about how it lives and what it does in that environment. Think of it as the organism's profession or job description in nature. A niche has several important components. Let us look at the first three. First, habitat. This is where the organism lives, its home address in the ecosystem. Second, food resources. This includes what the organism eats and how it obtains its food, whether it is a hunter, grazer, or scavenger. Third, behavior. This covers the organism's activity patterns and how it responds to its environment, such as whether it is active during the day or night. Now let us explore three more important components of a niche. First, interactions. These are the relationships the organism has with other species, including predators, prey, competitors, and symbiotic partners. Second, abiotic factors. These are the non-living requirements like temperature, water availability, and light that the organism needs to survive. Third, reproduction. This includes the organism's breeding patterns and the specific requirements needed for successful reproduction. All these components together define the complete niche of an organism. There are two types of niches we need to understand. The fundamental niche is the full range of conditions an organism can potentially occupy. This represents the ideal conditions where the organism could live if there were no competition or other limiting factors. On the other hand, the realized niche is the actual conditions where the organism exists in nature. This is usually smaller than the fundamental niche because it is limited by competition with other species and various interactions in the real world. Here is a crucial principle in ecology, the competitive exclusion principle. This principle states that two species cannot occupy the exact same niche in the same habitat at the same time. Why is this? Because one species will always outcompete the other for resources. This competition leads to one of two outcomes. Either one species goes extinct in that area, or the species evolve to occupy slightly different niches, a process called niche differentiation. Let us look at a real-world example to understand niches better: the bald eagle. The bald eagle's habitat is near large bodies of water like lakes, rivers, and coastal areas. For food, it primarily eats fish, but also hunts waterfowl and small mammals. Its behavior includes being a top predator and occasionally scavenging for food. The bald eagle's role in the ecosystem is to control prey populations, helping maintain balance in the food web. This combination of habitat, diet, behavior, and role defines the bald eagle's unique niche. Let us review the key points from this lesson. First, a niche is the complete role an organism plays in its ecosystem, not just where it lives. Second, a niche includes habitat, food sources, behavior, and interactions with other species. Third, according to the competitive exclusion principle, two species cannot occupy the same niche in the same place at the same time. Finally, understanding niches helps us see how organisms coexist and interact in complex ecosystems. By understanding an organism's niche, we can better appreciate the intricate balance of nature and how every species contributes to the health of its ecosystem.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.